I am so excited about this. I have been waiting to share this. It's been something on my mind for a while and I wasn't really sure how to tell you about this. So we're gonna call this the RVersity beta test. If you're like, Brandy, what are you talking about? I have no idea what a beta test is. It's a test to see how something's gonna work. So for a while, RVersity has been an online program and it was really just a course that you could take, step 1, step 2, step 3, and I gave you all my tools and resources, a very high ticket program, but it wasn't exactly what I envisioned when I started RVersity. So when I started RVersity years and years ago, I envisioned it as this space that you could go and you can find all your tips, tricks, tools, resources, checklists, cheat sheets, fun content for RV life discounts, all the fun things that I was learning and doing. I wanted to put it in a space where you could go and get it, but I wasn't really sure, and it was like a website, but I wasn't sure what to do with all of this content. And so I got some, I like to call it bad advice, but advice about, oh, you should put it into this course and sell it as this high ticket item. And so what happened is it also became a thing where I had to take these like sales calls to be able to sell it. And so I wanted RVersity to be a place where you could go get these things. It wasn't a sales call, you could click it and buy it. It wasn't also just for beginners. It's for RVers like me that have been doing it for a while. They're like, hey Brandy, I love you and I wish that I could get all your tools and resources. Like, where do you put them all? So it's like I have my YouTube channel and I have social media and I have like this course, but where's this space that you could go? And so I was like, oh, I should write a book, or I can just expand on my program. But it's like this constant, like when you update a program, it's like you have to update the whole thing. You can't just update certain things. And so I wanted to create this space, and why I call it the RVersity beta test is because I want to work out all the kinks before I really go and say like, join. And so I'm inviting you to be one of my beta testers, and it is at a very, very, very discounted price. I really want your advice. So for the price, I want your advice. I want a testimonial. I want your feedback. I want you to test everything. I want your questions. And so I want to give you access to my content, and that is my tutorials, my videos, checklists, cheat sheets. It's exclusive, premium content, not just content. Okay, this is not just out there. This is in an organized manner, and so I really wasn't sure where to share it. So it's really a membership and a place and a space where you can go to get all my tools and resources, tips, tricks, tutorials, courses, everything that I mentioned. So I'm going to put a link below this video that you can join and find out all the details about that. But I really wanted to tell you that everything is not in working order. It's called a beta test because it's not perfect. It's not... Everything might not be working. There might be broken links. There might be things that are missing. But it's not just for people that want to just become RVers. It's people that are like me that want to not just retire an RV, but work and travel. So you are a digital nomad. You're like, how do I start my own business? How do I work and roam? I'm so excited to share this with you. I just feel like there's so many things I'm forgetting and not telling you, which is why it's also called a beta test, and why I was wanting to make this video to kind of tell you a little bit about it and invite you to join, but let you know that things are broken and they're not perfect. And so that's what the price is for, is because by the end of this, I want a testimonial from you, and I want to hear your thoughts, your feedback. I want your testimonial for me to be able to promote this to people going forward. But also, you're going to help me work out the kinks. All your questions, all your feedback, everything is going to help me make this even better. And so if you were like, I wanted to work with Brandy, but I couldn't before, you can now. If you were like, I didn't have the money before, you do now. This is exclusive. This is for members only. This is premium. And this is not just one time. This is not just like content for now. This is going to be content that's growing and getting better. And so I want to share more about my RV life. I just wasn't sure where to share it and show it. And so I've built this website, this membership program. I'm so excited to share this with you. I can't wait for you to join. I can't wait to see you on the inside, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts on this program, this membership, this place, this space. There's community, there's live coaching calls, there's more than just a course. You get the community, you get me, and you get everything that comes with RVersity. And so it's not just this one-time thing, it's something that's going to be growing. And so I can't wait to see you on the inside. And yeah, I was a little bit nervous to share this with you, but I'll see you on the inside. I love you.